Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing on this device. First of all, you need to access your keyboard. If you are using Samsung default one, just tap on this mic icon and create your message. When you're ready, tap on the same microphone one in order to stop voice typing. If you are using Gboard though, I will change mine real quick. You need to select microphone icon over here. If you can't see it, you need to tap on this gear one. Select voice typing and tap on this gray switcher in order to enable it. Then go back to your keyboard. As you can see, now microphone icon is visible. In order to start typing, just click on it. Then select while using the app or only this time. Create your message. And when you're ready, tap on the same icon to stop. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!